Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on a new episode. Well, anyways, today I'm going to be starting off by building a nice little cabin on the water. So I'm going to start off, guys, with getting some planks here, and I'm going to build myself a nice dock. But anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe because we're going to have some epic videos coming out, some epic builds. It's going to be pretty cool, guys. So anyways, let's get started. So I'm just laying out some planks, guys, just straight out. I'm gonna make it a 2x2, guys, so it's a good size. I can start off the build. So my house is gonna be on the water, guys, because it's gonna be like a lake house. So I'm just building it out, guys. Anyways, like for now, my house will be pretty cool because not much people have a house on the water, but this is gonna be like a cottage, guys. So I'm gonna first start off, guys, with a dock here. I'm gonna make like some boat slots so I can have some boats going. So I'm just putting 3 boats, guys, 3 boats out here today. And yeah, anyways, you just guys gotta be creative. So anyways, I'm gonna get the boats now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put my first boat there, second boat there, guys, that's cool, and third boat. Okay, nice. So now let's get on the house build, guys. So I don't need that boat there, but I'm gonna put our boat over here, guys, so you can ride in the boat. And I'm just gonna put that boat right over here, just for now. Anyway, so leave that there. Let's go back, guys, to the build. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna build that cabin. So now I'm just gonna build a platform, guys. It's not gonna be a big cabin, guys, but it's just gonna be something. So let's get into that build, guys. So I'm first gonna start off with a nice square. Nothing too special, guys. And remember, guys, just be creative, guys, because you can pretty much build anything you guys want in Minecraft. It's pretty cool. Okay, nice. So this can be the platform. Sick. Okay, let's fill it in, guys. And since I'm on water, my house can get flooded very easily, but it's okay. We're just gonna try it out and see what happens. But I do not recommend you guys to build on water in real life. It's not really the best way to build. But this is like a lake house, guys. So it's like you can wake up, you can go fishing, you can go boating. Like you're pretty much on the water. So it's good. I'm gonna add like a door, guys. So here we go. Nice. Perfect. I'm just gonna outline the base, guys, now. Perfect. Now, I don't know how high I want to build up, but I want to build up maybe, let's say 5 blocks up, so just so I can have a decent height. So I see that's pretty good. You don't want it too small, guys, because if you make it too small, you can't really walk around inside. So make it a good, decent height, guys. And remember, guys, you can like duplicate the same build. Just follow along, because it's a pretty simple build, guys. And we're gonna put the blocks there. Perfect. Nice. And like you can also expand on this, guys. You can add like different things at your lake cottage. You know, you can build something crazy. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna add some like here. Let me get rid of that block there. Oh, fix that one. Oh. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, you can add like these windows here. So I'm gonna add 2 glass there. Perfect. And now I'm gonna add the roof. I'm just gonna make a flat roof, guys, because there's no need to make a big fancy roof. Perfect, guys. And there we go. We got our lakefront cottage house. And that's all for the video, guys, today. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Peace out.